Cracked screens and scratched cameras can ruin the joy of owning a brand new Pixel 10 Pro, but don't worry. I've searched through Torras Spigen Fntcase and more to bring you 15 cases that truly protect and impress. Welcome to the channel and grab your favorites using the links below. The number 15 product on our list is Janmitta Heavy Duty Shockproof. It's surprising how many cases claim to be protective yet fail when it matters most, and that's where this heavy-duty option feels like a true upgrade. Built with a rugged dual-layer design, it combines a shock-absorbing bumper with a rigid back, giving you that military-grade security people usually hope for but rarely get. What sets it apart is the thoughtful detail, a sliding camera lens cover that locks securely in place, saving your phone's most fragile part from scratches and impact. Add to that the integrated kickstand with full rotation, and suddenly, watching content or navigating hands-free in the car feels effortless. Compared to many in the list of 15 best Pixel cases from big names like Spigen or Fntcase, this one leans more on sheer durability than sleek minimalism. The downside? It adds bulk and doesn't support wireless charging, but if peace of mind and all-around toughness are your priorities, this is the smart, confident choice that feels tested for real-world comfort. At number 14 is ATATOO military-grade protection. It's surprising how many people still carry bulky wallets in 2025 when a single case can solve that problem and protect your phone at the same time. This military-grade option feels like a clever blend of durability and convenience, crafted to hold your essential cards while shielding your Pixel from real-world accidents. The built-in RFID protection adds a sense of relief, knowing your identity and payment details remain safe on the go. What truly stands out is the dual-rail sliding camera cover, giving you smooth control over lens protection without fumbling when it's time to capture a moment. Compared to others in the 15 best Pixel cases like Spigen or Torras, this one leans toward lifestyle practicality rather than pure minimalism, making it a smart upgrade for those who value both safety and freedom from extra clutter. While it doesn't support wireless charging and adds some thickness, it delivers peace of mind and tested comfort that makes it worth recommending. But number 13 is Ringke Onyx Magnetic. Sometimes the simplest designs carry the strongest impact, and this sleek case proves that protection doesn't need to look bulky to feel secure. Made from lightweight TPU with a non-slip texture, it instantly gives you that confident grip many users complain they lack in everyday handling. Add in MagSafe compatibility and suddenly charging and accessory use become effortless without sacrificing stability. What makes it stand apart in the lineup of 15 best Pixel cases from names like Torras or Spigen is its balance between minimalist style and real-world durability, giving you peace of mind without the extra weight. The anti-fingerprint coating keeps it looking fresh day after day, while precise cutouts ensure your camera and ports remain fully functional. Yes, it may not bring the rugged thickness of military-grade shells, but for someone who values comfort, modern design, and tested reliability, this is a smart and stylish choice that feels made for daily confidence. At number 12 is CASEKOO patented 360 spin magnetic. It's rare to find a case that blends innovation, protection, and style without compromise, yet this patented design manages to pull it off brilliantly. The standout feature is its 360-degree rotating stand, crafted from aerospace-grade aluminium, giving you smooth angles for binge-watching video calls or even following recipes in the kitchen without that awkward neck strain. Unlike many others in the 15 best Pixel cases from big names like Spigen or Torras, this one doesn't force you to choose between slimness and function. It delivers both. The N52 magnets are incredibly strong, keeping your phone steady on mounts while ensuring wireless charging works flawlessly, even on bumpy rides. Add to that a 16-foot military-grade drop certification and reinforced air pad cushioning, and you instantly feel that sense of relief knowing your device is shielded from real-world mishaps. While it's slightly pricier and a touch bulkier than minimalist cases, the blend of safety, versatility, and tested daily comfort makes this a smart choice for anyone who values peace of mind with practicality. At number 11 is FNT's military-grade drop-proof. Sometimes protection feels like an afterthought, but here it takes center stage with confidence and precision. This case is built to solve the problems so many users face, trusting a slim shell only to watch it fail after one drop. With a 14-foot military-grade certification, reinforced corner airbags, and a dual-layer build, it gives that reassuring sense of security you can actually feel in your hands. The matte finish adds grip and resists fingerprints, so it keeps looking sharp even after daily use. Unlike others in the lineup of 15 best pixel cases from brands like Torras or Spigen, this one brings a stronger focus on rugged defense while still staying sleek enough to use comfortably. The addition of a tempered glass protector elevates that peace of mind, while the powerful magnets lock onto chargers without fuss. It may add slight bulk, but for someone who values tested durability and a smart balance of toughness and practicality, this is a clear choice worth considering. And number 10 is Ruky MagSafe Shockproof. It's rare to find a case that blends security, privacy, and modern convenience so seamlessly, yet this one delivers exactly that with confidence. Designed with strong magnetic alignment, it pairs effortlessly with chargers, wallets, and car mounts, solving the frustration many people face when cases interfere with MagSafe performance. What truly sets it apart is the built-in privacy screen protector, giving you peace of mind in crowded places where wandering eyes can compromise your comfort. Add military-grade shock absorption and you immediately feel the relief of knowing your pixel is protected from unexpected drops or bumps. In the lineup of 15 best pixel cases from Torras, Spigen and Fntcase, this one brings a fresh angle by prioritizing both safety and discretion in one sleek package. It may add a touch of thickness compared to ultra-slime options, but for those who value reliable protection, magnetic versatility and the smart choice of privacy, it feels tested for everyday confidence. At number 9 is Torras Magnetic Kickstand. It's impressive how a case can completely change the way you use your phone, and this magnetic kickstand design feels like one of those game changers. Slim and modern, yet rugged where it counts, it solves the daily struggle of balancing style with functionality. The flush fit stand blends into the back so seamlessly you barely notice it. But when you need hands-free viewing, it opens smoothly into sturdy vertical or horizontal angles, tested for thousands of folds to ensure long-term reliability. Add to that the 60% stronger magnetic pull, and suddenly charging, car mounting and using accessories become effortless without the fear of slipping. Compared to others in the 15 best pixel cases from Spigen Fntcase or Torras itself, this one strikes an ideal balance between portability and real-world comfort. While it adds a touch of weight and doesn't appeal to those who prefer ultra-minimal shells, for anyone who values protection, versatility, and that smart sense of relief, knowing their device is secure, this is a choice worth recommending. And number 8 is Spigen Tough Armor MagFit. Some cases feel like a safety net, but this one feels like armor built with purpose. From the moment you snap it on, the weight and structure give instant reassurance, tackling the problem so many people face when slim shells fail against real-world drops. With military-grade certification and air cushion technology guarding every corner, it delivers that peace of mind you can carry daily. Inside, shock-absorbing foam works quietly to absorb impact, while the hybrid frame keeps scratches and scuffs away. Compared to others in the 15 best pixel cases from Torras, Fntcase or Ringke, this one leans heavily on rugged durability, yet still integrates modern convenience with a built-in kickstand for effortless streaming or calls. The MagSafe compatibility makes charging and accessory use smooth and secure, something cheaper cases often compromise. It does add bulk, but if you value tested reliability, powerful grip, and that calm feeling of protection, this is a smart and confident upgrade. Number 7 is Spigen NanoPop MagFit. Minimalist doesn't have to mean boring, and this sleek two-tone design proves it with personality and confidence. Crafted to hug the pixel perfectly, it eliminates the awkward looseness or bulk that many users complain about when switching cases. The bold, contrasting colors give it a playful yet premium vibe, while the dot-textured sides enhance grip so you feel in control every time you pick it up. Built with air cushion technology at all corners, it quietly absorbs shocks from everyday drops, and the raised bezels keep both screen and camera safe from flat surfaces. In the lineup of 15 best pixel cases from Torras, Fntcase and other Spigen options, this one leans more towards style on conscious users who don't want to compromise on protection. It may not offer the extreme ruggedness of heavier models, but for those who value comfort, magnetic accessory support and tested daily reliability, it's a smart and refreshing choice, worth considering. And number 6 is Torras Q3 Spin 360 Magnetic. Sometimes a phone case doesn't just protect, it transforms the way you use your device, and this one is designed to do exactly that. With its 360-degree spin stand, it solves a common frustration of awkward viewing angles, letting you shift seamlessly between work calls, binge sessions, or hands-free navigation with stability that feels engineered for real life. The built-in ring isn't just a holder. It doubles as a charging companion, keeping wireless performance smooth without the hassle of removing the case. What makes it stand out in the lineup of 15 best Pixel cases from Torras, Spigen Fntcase is the blend of powerfully strong magnets and slim design, offering peace of mind during bumpy drives or daily commutes. The military-grey protection reassures you against drops, while the fine craftsmanship gives it that premium feel you notice instantly. It may add a bit of weight, but for those who want durability, versatility, and tested comfort, this is a smart and confident choice. At number 5 is FNTSA Military Protection Bumper. Too many slim cases promise safety, but leave users disappointed after one unexpected drop. This bumper design takes a completely different approach. Built with an integrated soft shell and reinforced grip texture, it feels steady in the hand, giving that sense of relief that your phone won't slip out during daily use. The hexagon rear shield not only looks sharp but also absorbs shocks with confidence, while raised bezels wrap around the screen and camera to protect against scratches that often ruin a clean design. Compared to others in the 15 best Pixel cases from Torras or Spigen, this one leans more toward rugged practicality, offering peace of mind with every pickup. The honeycomb interior even helps with heat dissipation, a thoughtful touch often overlooked in similar models. While it lacks magnetic compatibility, it still supports wireless charging and includes a tempered glass protector, making it a smart, value-packed choice for anyone who prioritizes tested protection and everyday comfort. At number 4 is Spigen Liquid Air MagFit. Sometimes the most powerful statement is made through simplicity, and this case delivers that with quiet confidence. Built for those who want protection without the bulk, its slim TPU design slips easily into pockets, yet still provides that reassuring grip many users crave. The integrated magnets align perfectly with MagSafe accessories, solving the common frustration of weak connections or interrupted charging, making daily use seamless and stress-free. Inside, the spiderweb pattern disperses impact force, while Spigen's signature air cushion technology cushions every corner, tested for real-world comfort so you don't have to second-guess its reliability. In the lineup of 15 best Pixel cases from Torras, Fntcase and Spigen's own tougher models, this one stands out for balancing minimalism with durability. While it may not be as rugged as heavy-duty bumpers, it's a smart, stylish option for those who want peace of mind, functional design, and that feeling of relief knowing protection doesn't come at the cost of elegance. The third one on our list is FNTS Rugged Shockproof. When protection feels like a second thought in many slim cases, this rugged design makes it the star of the show. Built like armor, it instantly answers the worry of drops, scratches, or rough handling with a structure that feels ready for real-world challenges. The full-body coverage with corner airbags and raised lips around the camera brings that sense of relief, knowing your phone's most fragile points are safe. A built-in screen protector adds another layer of security, while the integrated magnetic kickstand makes video calls, gaming, or streaming smooth and effortless. What sets it apart from others in the 15 best Pixel cases by Torras or Spigen is the added belt clip holster, a thoughtful touch for those who work outdoors or live an active lifestyle. It may add bulk, but for those who value strength, utility, and tested comfort, this is a smart, practical choice that delivers peace of mind every single day. On number 2 is Spigen Rugged Armor MagFit. Strength doesn't always have to come at the cost of style, and this rugged case proves it with confidence. Built for those who demand more than just basic coverage, it combines MagSafe compatibility with a shock-absorbing design that feels tested for real-world comfort. The flexible TPU frame with carbon fiber accents adds that sleek, modern edge while giving you a grip that feels secure in the hand, solving the problem of slippery shells that too often lead to drops. Inside, the spiderweb structure disperses impact, while Spigen's signature air cushions on each corner absorb shocks like a safety net you can trust. Compared to others in the 15 best Pixel cases from Torras or Ringke, this one strikes a balance, lighter than heavy-duty builds, yet tougher than minimalistic shells. It may not have extras like a kickstand, but for everyday peace of mind, durability, and magnetic versatility, this is a smart choice that feels reliable without compromise. Now, moving to the last one is Torras Magnetic Shockproof. Few cases manage to combine sleek elegance with unshakable strength, but this one pulls it off effortlessly. The moment you snap it on, you notice the slim grip that feels natural in hand, yet beneath that minimal frame lies serious protection. With military-grade drop defense tested to withstand 12-foot falls and reinforced airbags absorbing impact, it gives you the kind of relief most users search for after seeing fragile phones shatter from simple slips. What really sets it apart in the 15 best Pixel cases from Torras Spigen Fntcase is the upgraded magnetic system. Halbach technology delivers a rock-solid hold on mounts while still ensuring smooth wireless charging, solving a frustration many Pixel users face with weaker rings. Add to that the fingerprint-resistant matte finish and customizable buttons, and it feels both personal and premium. It may not be the lightest option, but for someone seeking tested durability, daily convenience, and peace of mind, this is a confident choice. So guys, this was the video about the 15 best Google Pixel 10 Pro cases. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoy the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.